Hello my dear students, let's study what is corrosion. Corrosion means wasting away of the metal due to its reaction with water, air, acids or moisture etc. That is known as corrosion. Now examples are rusting of iron. Iron comes in contact with moisture and oxygen that is present in the air. And many times you see that there is a covering of brown layer on iron. So that is known as rusting of iron. There is tarnishing of silver. Now if silver metal is exposed to the air for a very long time, we see that it turns black in color. So that is known as tarnishing of silver. Another example of corrosion is that copper turns green when exposed to moisture and air. In this case, copper reacts with moisture and air and it forms a green colored substance. So there also there is wastage of the metal. Now in case of silver, just now we discussed that it turns black. It turns black because it reacts with the sulfur compounds which are present in the air, and that black coating is of silver sulfide. Now why corrosion is harmful? Because metal is getting wasted away. So the harmful effect is that it damages the things made up of metal, especially iron. So whatever things are made up of iron or other metals, they are going to slowly get degraded. The iron will rust, and the different things like vehicles or the bridges or the railway tracks, they are going to get degraded and become weaker and weaker. So it is very important to prevent corrosion. Now how we can do that? Prevention of corrosion, what are the methods? Number one, painting. So we can paint the iron objects. So how it is going to help? Then iron will not come in contact with the air and it will prevent rusting. Next is oiling. That means applying oil on the surface of the metal. Again to block the reaction of oxygen and moisture with that metal. Then we have greasing, that is applying the grease on the surface of the metal. Next is making alloys. So making alloys means we can make mixture of metals so that then it will not react with the oxygen or water and it will be safe. For example, from iron we can make steel. So steel is an alloy and we know that steel does not rust. Next is galvanization. Galvanization means coating of zinc on the surface of iron. Now zinc does not corrode. So the inside metal, that is iron, that remains safe. So that process is known as galvanization. The next is chrome plating. Now here also we can cover the material which is made up of a metal that shows corrosion with another metal, that is chromium. So that is chrome plating. And the last one, that is anodizing. So anodizing, that is done in the case of aluminium. So a very thick layer of aluminium oxide that is applied so that the aluminium which is present under that layer does not corrode. So these are different ways by which we can prevent corrosion. The next topic is rancidity. Now what is rancidity? It is oxidation of fat and oil containing food items due to which their smell and taste changes. So what do we mean by that? All the food substances which contain fat and oil, they react with the oxygen which is present in the air. And because of that, some toxic substances are formed due to which the smell and taste of that food substance is going to change. So the harmful effect is that it spoils the food and causes wastage of the food. So we have to prevent rancidity. How can we do that? So prevention of rancidity, for that antioxidants are added. So antioxidants are those substances which are going to prevent the oxidation of fat and oil. That means they are going to stop the reaction between the food substance and the oxygen. Next is keep the food in airtight containers. So what we are doing, we are preventing the contact of the food with the oxygen which is present in the air. Then we see that nitrogen is filled in the sealed packets of chips. So you see that lot of gas is filled inside the sealed packets of chips. So what is that gas? That is nitrogen. Now why nitrogen is used? Because nitrogen is inert in case of the food substances reaction with the oxygen. So nitrogen does not react with the fat and oil which is present in that food. So it helps to keep that food fresh for a longer period of time and hence prevents rancidity. So children, do like, share and subscribe, and you can follow my Instagram account Science by Neelam Bajaj. So happy learning.